What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewsTrading.com. Going to do a quick market recap. S&P 500 off the top. You can see today that 2790 zone that we've been watching the last couple of days has been tested, has been held. You can see over here on my shorter time frame, this 5-minute intraday chart. I did a little bit of a gap, and we're caught in a very, very tight range, 2795, sitting over 2786. And we'll see what happens tomorrow, but this is looking pretty good for the bulls. You can see that we had this triple top that has been created, structured resistance at 2790 approximately, and today we have taken that out and we're currently holding it. You can see price action is still moving to the upside very, very gently, but this is a very, very good sign for the bulls. And for the general market moving to the upside, you can see that we've got that nice cross of the signal line on the MACD histogram, and we've transitioned through this negative area to this positive area. Now, in terms of today's trades, as per usual, we were trading some of that volatility, and BLN was the top mover on the list that I wanted to trade. This was a very, very quick trade. It was very much, it opened up very, very strong pre-market. It didn't do too much in the actual cash market. However, it did give me a quick opportunity to trade, and I was actually trading this little breakout right through here. So you can see that we had this move to the upside, kind of flagged up through here, pulled back, created this little bit of a bottom. We got above the VWAP, took out that previous range candle high, and we moved higher and traded in right through here and moved higher. And then as soon as we had this sort of 3 candlestick pattern right through here, we saw that price action was turning around. I let go of my my position. I covered and cashed out, and that was a trade. It was a very, very simple trade. Follow the strategy, and you know, if you watch enough of these reviews, you'll see that I'm doing the same thing over and over and over again. I've got a very systematic way of finding these stocks and trading them on the 5-minute chart. It's generally a flag situation, quick breakout trades, managing the risk. And this is what the team's been doing day in and day out. So this is BLIN, trade of the day. S&P looking very, very positive. Can't thank you enough for watching this quick market review. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're at info@jlewistrading.com. In the description box below actually is my direct email address, so feel free to email me anytime with any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you'd like to join us in Ask a Trader, which we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there's actually a sign-up link just below. Totally free. We're giving that out to the general public now. So if you want to connect with us and see what our next move in the market is going to be, join us. Info@jlewistrading.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.